Welcome! Today we're making Panda Express-style Orange Chicken. Let's prepare our ingredients. Chicken breast, 500 grams. Fresh orange juice, 120 milliliters. Garlic, 15 grams. Step 3. Build the flavor. Fresh ginger, 15 grams. Soy sauce, 30 milliliters. Rice vinegar, 15 milliliters. Step 4. Let's season the chicken. Salt, 5 grams. Black pepper, 5 grams. 1 large egg. Cornstarch, 100 grams. All-purpose flour. Step 6. Fry the chicken. Cook until golden and crispy. Step 7. Remove the chicken. Drain the excess oil. Step 8. Let's make the orange sauce. Garlic, 15 grams. Ginger, 15 grams. Orange zest, 10 grams. Build the orange sauce. Orange juice. Build the orange sauce. Orange juice, 120 milliliters. Soy sauce, 30 milliliters. Rice vinegar. Finish the sauce. Sugar, 50 grams. Cornstarch slurry, 20 grams. Now add the crispy chicken. Time to garnish. Spring onion, 20 grams. Sesame seeds, 5 grams. Panda Express-style Orange Chicken is ready. Follow Global Recipe Studio for more delicious recipes.